Uno sit down on a blood clot. And all I do is tear down on one another. Uno can't tear right down. Uno see me tear down already. I build now.
I've been on stage with Snoop, and it's like, Sean Paul, take a drink. He calls me Sean Paul. Like, his accent is different. So he's like, yo, and I'm like, in front of these thousands of people, and the police is right there. I gotta hit this joint right now.
Sir.
I did, you know what I mean? But yeah, I mean, those times. But yeah, definitely right now I'm more weedy greedy now.
Weedy greedy. You gotta be weedy greedy.
Yeah, I would more rather to give you a whole joint your own self. You have that. Don't share with me.
Bitch, our party, we not invite them. Bustle up the car and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Blabadem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Dog, me can't rate Sean Paul or Shaggy or none of them artists that will run the for music culture. Me not no ratings for them, dog. So some of the people, when you hear people chat about music, you don't need to come off our internet but now give them big up about them a star. Them a star what, dog? Them man they are hardly star America, cause anytime I see nobody a interview no international artist, it's always Jay-Z and Beyonce and Kanye West and them man them. Me can't tell you when last time I see somebody a interview Sean Paul embarrassing cause the man style him, man ask him say, yo, let me prove if you are Jamaican, you eat pum pum, he say yes, dog. And I'll embarrass people, call them the man upon interview if you embarrass them, bad man. Me carry it Sean Paul, Shaggy, Shabba rank. When you run well for music culture, bad man, me could never go no ratings over no artists who are there yard or turn up in a thing and make sure so we get music, dog. Some of the people who just rate people through them Ghana friend. Why not give them ratings far about them on internet? If I went them man there alone, dog, would not reggae music, reggae culture would that dead. You know see them man they find them man they got friend and look back. So yo, who the people who not give them ratings who not likes lovers, man, and just rate people through them who got foreign. One I rate them far. What's the point of underrate them? They're not giving them music. When last year Shaggy or Sean Paul put out a bumbuck like reggae music, dog gonna come to the senses, bad man. What is wrong with the people? Now if you respect the artists and make sure say reggae music stay alive.
Yes, CDA, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, yes, no work. Go to TikTok and take away pity them. Make your mothers and fathers go find themselves. Then to walk list. A years over TikTok, you fuck in front of little pity them, you suck in front of little pity them, you fight in front of little pity them, you cussing, you do all manner of evil over TikTok for clout in front of little pity them. You mash up a little pity them brain. Take away pity them CDA. And the next thing you want to do, find a way to charge your parents them. Find a way to charge them. Carry them to court and make a judge charge them. Find sitting for charge them. You to walk list. And you hold on if you go to jail. You just sit a walk list mothers. You dirty drunk crowd. Red hands, black hands, you hold on if you go to jail. Drunk crowd.
We all going through things.
Listen to me, man. Name me one man or one woman in Jamaica with no depressed. All if he rich in depressed I patrol them in a road. In depressed a school fee too high and he have money. Anybody will get up and kill themselves for nothing ras glad. I saw them go. No sorry for nobody will kill themselves, man. You can imagine they did a sleep with a mad ras girl and he decides say tonight me I kill myself and just style for your killer. Or he did a 3-4 picking and just say yo me I will kill myself tonight. And just kill it picking them. Frank God no like nobody will commit suicide. Me can't like you. I will shed not a tears. Jamaica no ras wake up. You know the amount of time with depressed and they think all different type of thing. And just go plant so yam. Somehow no need to learn for Japan standard. Anyhow no learn for Japan standard. I bet depression won't kill you. Everybody in Jamaica depressed. Patrol out to kill me. Nah kill myself.
Jamaica had lost so many legends. Bob Marley, Dennis Brown, Peter Tosh, Garnet Silk, you name them. So many legends. And now I'm feeling sick in my body. I'm wondering if I'm next.
So we just reaching an infirm where we are stop and get a drink, you see me? Before we reach the goal, man. Remember when I live in a dream, you know. Yeah, man, you know a code come down, you know. And so we count them in a them big head. Because remember, you know, the whole team out. Remember when I do dry throat reasoning, you know, because I remember saying, you know, in a Guyana with there, you see me? And yes, I want a little hot spot where you can pull up before you go in like infirmary and get a drinks and them type of thing there. You understand me and say, yeah man, without no apology. So you know, say I saw a quote come down, you see me? You don't know when me chose cream soda, you understand me and say without no apology, publicly speaking that. And you see I saw, yeah man, I will stop it right there, so. So when you come in a Pirani or Pironi, you have to do a checkpoint. So you see if you're not straight, don't come here. Make sure me I want you know. If I smoke, do not plan to smoke. Don't bother about that. Remember, we not living a dream, you know. Yes, all the checkpoint. We have to go in our minding. So you see if your documents say not straight, then could be from here and put you in jail. Salute to Bantu Zulu, free now, dumb in on the outside with them. Remember, you know, we do this, you know. We don't no apology. And a guy now with them look on the ground like an Africa same way. Don't trick on yourself in front of yourself. And alright, that's how we left it. We don't no apology. Salute to Fury. Booping at them head. With their Clooney. You understand me? You see right over there, so how them do minding. You understand me? I say, I have to take a boat now to go over there, so. Salute to Bantu Zulu, free not dumb. And salute to Fury same way. And Young Z, you don't know the book launch the 31st. Remember, we not living a dream, you know. And a Clooney with there. Yeah man, in a Guyana. And remember, on a dream we living on. Alright, that's how we count them, man. See it? Different ball game, different structure. We don't no apology, publicly speaking that.
Big Bambo, that them love. Big Bambo, give it to them. Big Bambo, hey. And a soca, nah, no disco. Tell her why not play calypso. And a lick her for lips like she a suck a kiss go. Girl if you gone, you know me I got miss you. Wine for me something on the rotate, y'all. Shake up your body like a earthquake, y'all. Boom for me something cause of your place, y'all.
Willis, kneel. You myself knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. The ear, paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club of them TV. Feeder scale is out here. The ear, Willis. You myself know. Come on, baby, let me kneel it in. Come on, baby, let me drive it in. Come on, baby, let me knock your ear. Kneel. Club of them TV, your ear, Willis.
Not hear about nobody cause of your face, girl. She want the bomb, she keep coming again. So me knock it one time and she tell her friend. I'm knock 3, 4, 5, 6 and the whole lot 7 of them. Them on the bomb again. So me hammer them, I saw me stab at them. I saw me joke it and me ram me she send no pardon. So me hop from night straight till morning. She know want me leave a place, she want me touch her again. Tell her line up for the big long bamboo.
News. Prime Minister Andrew Holness' wife, Juliet Holness, name suddenly appears on deceased Melissa Silvera family land title.
Breaking news everyone, it was brought to my attention, yes, that Juliet Holness' name suddenly appears on Melissa Silvera's family title. I do not know where this investigation is heading, but interesting development. There has been ballistic private investigation, and it is now confirmed that Joel and Silvera's gun has nothing to do with the loss of his wife, Melissa Silvera. In addition, there have been a sudden twist into the case, and the UK, along with other UK dignitaries, are now investigating the matter. So breaking news, comrades, breaking news, Jamaica.
But I ask me which farm is there. Because some of them don't like beard when they see water. Only they like beard. The people that are afraid of water, only can't come which part of there. Yeah, man a dancehall. We are wash out that in your bad mind. Because them fight against the man a dancehall. And them can't stop me. Man a dancehall. Hey, man a dancehall. Anyway we go, my name them a call. Live on me like fly pan wall. Diamond in the rough and them know me can't stall. Me I go wash them bad heart, hey. Wash them bad heart, hey. Wash. Diamond a dancer, one of them diamonds are forever. I want some bad man, hey.
Enough of them never did want me. But now me think them I like the sky. Life pretty like a pepper love. Now man a shine, them one come running. Don't lock up.
You don't know Mother Love represent early. See the court here. Upstairs at the court, Santa Cruz too. So you know the court lock. So anyway, I'm going to check around at the nether court. Because 2 court in Santa Cruz. You have one upstairs at the police station. When you come here, so you have to see what I go on. So I like how the world I see what Mother Love did. Him come very early. Him go report very early. So you know Mother Love is a good citizen in the whole world. Mother Love. Come, let's go for them. Anyway, we just come from up at the nether court. So you know in a Santa Cruz today. If your car or anything wrong with your car or anything on car thing, you can check out right here. Right here. Anything for car, anything you can check out here. Mother Love. So you know the courthouse up at top lab. So I'm going to check around the nether courthouse, round at the back. Mother Love.
Okay, morning.
Mother Love. Mother Love. Yeah, Mother Love. No, I don't know yet.
I could feel that. Whoa. Mother Love.
So you know, sir, only here says the nether court. Only here says the nether court. You have the front court and you have the back court. So you know the front court it's locked. So I'm going to check the back court to see if them have my name. Come on, let's go. You have the man here washing the police vehicle. Get it clean. Mother Love. Come, let's go.
Mother Love.
Reach to the court. We have to go into the court so you know we're going to take off the camera. We're going to ask about the name. Mother Love. Take it off.
Pull up after you and I first na relax. Hold your jacket.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better figure sharp and ground. The war start and all that done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try